Thinking about buying an EV in 2025? Hold up. Before you drop tens of thousands of dollars, you need to know which electric cars to avoid. Let's get into the EVs you might regret buying this year. And why? 1. Fisker Ocean. Beautiful but broken. Let's start with the Fisker Ocean. It looks stunning on the outside, but the software? A nightmare. Owners have reported glitches, freezing screens, unresponsive controls, and even getting locked out of the car. Fisker's in financial trouble too, so getting support, don't count on it. 2. Nissan Ariya, sluggish and overpriced. Nissan's Ariya entered the EV game with big promises, but compared to competitors, it's underpowered, overpriced, and outdated. Slow charging times and clunky infotainment systems don't help. For the same price, you could get something way more exciting and efficient. 3. VinFast VF8, rushed and rough. VinFast made a splash as a newcomer,
love this car.
but early reviewers called the VF8 unfinished, with poor ride quality and inconsistent software. Even after updates, build quality and reliability are major concerns. It's bold to enter the market, but not bold enough for your wallet. 4. Mazda MX-30. Great brand, bad EV. Mazda usually gets it right, but not here. The MX-30 has one of the worst ranges on the market, under 100 miles in real-world driving. For 2025, it still hasn't improved much. Stylish? Yes. Practical EV? Not even close. 5. Mini Cooper SE. Fun but frustrating. It's zippy and fun, sure, but the range is tiny and there's very little room. If you live in the city and only drive 10 miles a day, it might work. Otherwise, you'll be charging constantly. Look, not every EV is created equal. Some are future-ready, and some still feel like beta versions. So if you're shopping for an EV in 2025, do your research and don't get burned. Want to know which EVs are worth your money? Hit that subscribe button. We've got you covered at Nitro News.